A flickering monitor occurs when we can actually see a problem with the screen's refresh rate, or the screen image blinks with either flashes of brightness or rapid black screens. To help resolve this annoying issue, follow these steps. The refresh rate is the number of times the screen redraws itself per second. Changing or adjusting it will more than likely take care of the issue. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and select Display Settings. In the next window, scroll down to Related Settings and click on Advanced Display. Under Display Information, for Choose a Refresh Rate, try selecting a higher refresh rate. The choices available for rate options are determined by what your monitor supports. Once you've made your choice, click Keep Changes to apply the new setting. If you want to scan your hard drive for errors, just click the link shown to watch our support video on running the Check Disk tool. Make sure your system's drivers are up to date, especially the video driver. Go into the Start menu and open DELL Support Assist. In the Home tab, click the Run button for Get Drivers and Downloads, and Support Assist will check for available updates. If any pending driver updates are found, click on Update and install them. Be sure to follow any on-screen instructions. Incompatible apps or certain websites could be what's causing the flickering. If the flickering is sporadic, as soon as it starts happening, immediately open the Windows Task Manager by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Escape. If the Task Manager window is not flickering, but the app or website on screen is still flickering, that particular app or website could be the cause. If so, reinstall it or try a different one. For other issues related to a laptop display, click the link shown to read the DELL Knowledge Base article, complete with troubleshooting steps. The link is also provided in the video description. If you have an external monitor, there is some equipment troubleshooting you should also try. Use a different port on the monitor and see what happens. If your monitor is connected via HDMI, try something different, such as DisplayPort or USB-C if available. You can also replace the monitor cable you're using because a faulty cable might be the culprit. It's possible that the monitor itself is damaged, so try connecting it to a different PC and test it. If there are other electrical devices sharing the same power strip as your PC, such as a fan, a heater, or even a light, unplugging them will avoid electromagnetic field interference, which can cause image distortion and flickering. For additional troubleshooting steps on DELL monitors, click the link shown to access the DELL support page. The link is also in the video description. If you still need help or have any questions, you can contact us through social media at DELL Cares on Twitter for further assistance. We have many more support videos available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this DELL Tech Support video production.